Are you also worried that you missed the chance to apply for Spring 24 intake for undergrad and masters and shifted to Fall 24 intake in US? If yes, then here is the reality check. You can still apply to your dream US university without waiting for fall intake. Want to know how? Then watch this video till the end. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Hi, I'm Vishakha, your study abroad counselor at EduNirvana. US is famous for its tourist attraction, technological innovation, research organizations and many more. But you know what US is majorly famous for? Its world best universities like MIT, Harvard, Cornell, Columbia, etc. So without any fear or doubt, get ready to present your outstanding application to US universities, as we will chalk out the complete plan of action for you to be sorted with everything. US has two major intakes, spring that means January and fall that means August. Here what you should start with. Shortlist your program. Decide your program or specialization which is just right for you. Don't just randomly pick a program which does not match with your profile. Conduct a deep research or seek help from your mentors to choose what's best for you. There are diverse programs in US when it comes for the education. Shortlist the university. Once you decide for which program you want to apply for, then shortlist those universities which offer them. Apart from this, check admission requirements on official website of the universities, academic qualification, English proficiency test, IELTS, PTE, Duolingo, TOEFL or additional aptitude test, SAT, GRE or GMAT. Well, let's make it easier for you. Many universities waive SAT, GRE or GMAT, or many of them ask for it. However, we personally recommend you to take the aptitude test to maximize your scholarship. If you choose a program which asks for aptitude test, or if you are confused for which English proficiency test you can go for, rather than being stressed, this is what you can do. Take your time to prepare well for your test. Simultaneously start working on your documents. Do not wait till November or December to apply for at least 5 to 6 your preferred universities. Well, if you start your test preparation in the month of September, then it will take around the entire September and October to prepare well. Simultaneously, you can start working on your documents like CV, LOR, SOP, transcripts and degree. As far as your English proficiency test is concerned, if you are facing any difficulty while preparing for IELTS or TOEFL, you can switch for PTE or Duolingo. For this, please check the official website for the admission requirement. By the end of the October or the beginning of the November, you have to submit your application by anyhow. Apart from this, if you choose those universities which provide GRE or GMAT SAT waiver, we will highly recommend you to submit your application in the month of September only. If you want the list of the universities which waive aptitude test or accepts Duolingo PTE scores, comment us below to get personalized list. Documents. While preparing your documents, we recommend you to be ready with your 3 LORs, along with work seriously on your SOP, CV, which carry lot of weightage in your application. Scholarships. Scholarships are on first come first served basis. If you want the early advantage to get the maximum scholarship, submit your application on time. Visa. Once you received your I-20 from your preferred university, you are ready to file your visa. Now you can book your slot and start preparing your visa mock interview. By the way, you can check out our latest video of visa document checklist, which shows which kind of documents you need to carry in your visa interview. Along with, you can also watch our video which shows how to prepare for your visa interview. Links of both the video are in the description given below. Now you have the complete plan of action for Spring 24 intake application. To get expert advice and guidance, call us now. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment.